Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Item Lookup feature. Now, what's the Item Lookup feature? The Item Lookup feature is the function that's going to allow you to go anywhere in your warehouse, pick up an item, scan that item, and know all the details about what happened to that item. Where did it come from? Where did you purchase it from? Potentially, was it an RMA? Was it sold? You'll be able to have all that knowledge at your fingertips by just scanning the barcode. So we're going to start out by going to Inventory, Item Lookup. Now, the screen looks very plain at the moment, but the concept here is grab an item, scan your item, place your cursor in that field, and hit Scan. So I just scanned an item, and you're able to see a lot of details. You could see the barcode UID you scanned, the serial number, the part number, manufacturer, condition, location, SKU. If there are any details or attributes that your facility collected at the time of receiving, they'll be displayed right here. Now you also have product information, potential sales history, average pricing. Now at the bottom, you're going to see if there was any move history. Who moved that item? Why is it in the incorrect location? So just for that example, we're going to do an item move. So I'm going to move it to PL 158. So when you go back, you'll be able to see that this item originally started out in 2L1 S3 S1 A3 and moved to PL 158 at this date and time. And you could see the user who made that move. You also have information about the purchasing information. Who's the vendor? Where'd you purchase it from? What was the PO number? You also have a lot of sales information. Potentially, if this was an RMA, you would be able to see that it was an RMA, and you would be able to see the last customer you sold it to. Your other ability that allows the user to move quickly through this is you could just keep scanning. As long as your scanner has a carriage key function at the end of the scan, you could just keep scanning and just moving through to the next product. So you can see here, I'm quickly scanning through items. Potentially, if there's any sales history, you'll be able to see it. So that's how you use the Item Lookup function.